Hey y'all, so I hadn't done a house update in a while, so I'm going to show y'all around real quick and just let you see what we've been up to. We did get our gravel driveway in, so that's pretty exciting. And we hadn't done that much to the siding outside. We've been working inside mostly, just getting ready to move in. The gutter guys did come and put the gutters on, so that was really good. We have our temporary downspout diverter there. Eventually we're going to bury that under the ground. And we put in a little sidewalk. Eventually this will be concrete. But for now it's gravel. And Dad made these really cool front steps. He made these out of the stones that were dug up when the guy dug our basement. So we have a bunch of these really big stones, and that's what Dad used. For these stairs, we used stones that we found on our property. We just went through all of them and we picked out the ones that were the right size and the right shape. Then we cleaned them off really well just to remove any dirt or algae that was on them. That way the mortar would stick to them really well. And then Mike and I helped Dad get some of the larger stones into place. We had to kind of put some small stones under it just to get them up to the right level. And this kind of ended up acting as like the skeleton of the stairs. It took us a little while to get everything exactly right, and we kind of had to mess around with it. It was a little bit like a puzzle. But we ended up getting it. And then Dad continued to work on the stairs throughout the week while I was at work, so I don't have a lot of video footage of how he actually put these together. But each day I would take a video of what he had done. So that's what this is. This is after like the first day, and then this is after the second day. And then he did save the last little tiny section for me so that I could do it. So here we are finishing up the stairs. All right, let's go inside. So we have all our light fixtures up out here. Our electrician got all those up. And all our floodlights. And lights over here in the garage. All of our hardwood floors are down. And they're finished. I finished them with tongue. And this is hickory. It has a lot of heartwood in this. That's really pretty. And Dad and Dale have been working, getting a lot of the finish work done. They got down most of the baseboard. They've installed doors, done all the door trim. It looks really pretty. It's not painted or caulked yet, so it's not finished, but that will give you an idea of what it looks like. So yeah, so that's the door trim. And all the doors are in. I hadn't really done anything else in this room. This is the office. And then over here, this is an old antique door that Mike and I found. And there's a few of them throughout the house. It's still old looking. I am going to refinish it. I'm going to take them all down and paint them. Probably have to sand them down really good and just get a fresh coat of paint on them, and they'll look brand new. And here's the oak floor in the living room. I think it turned out really good. The tongue oil looks the best on it, I think. It gave it kind of a honey color. It was really pretty. I'm really happy with the way that turned out. And up here, I got one of the beams stained. Eventually I'm going to do all of them. But one of them is stained. And they have the some of the baseboard. This baseboard isn't finished yet. Got some of the baseboard, window trim. I have a lot of painting left to do. And we have our kitchen cabinets. This is very exciting. And these countertops, Dad made these out of some oak slabs that we cut from our trees that we cut down. And these turned out really nice. He did a really good job on these. And I finished them with tung oil. And I got the kitchen faucet in, the sink. I've done all the plumbing under here. So the plumbing's finished, and we have running water. And today I'm gonna be working on putting up the backsplash. And I think I have a piece of it, yeah. So I'm doing a stone ledger. So I'll be putting that up as the backsplash. Oh, and I got my under cabinet lighting in. There. Got one over here too. Somewhere there. There's my under cabinet lighting. And we got the range hood up, and I got the cover painted for it. There's the range hood. It has a light on it too. All right, let's go look at some of the other rooms. Oh, we have a ceiling fan. And here's the hallway, hickory floors. And here's another one of our antique doors that I'm gonna repaint. This is the pantry. So we'll have a second refrigerator here, and then all these shelves over here. So we have a lot of storage in here. I've already started to move some stuff in. So I think I'm really gonna like this pantry. And over here, the mudroom, got the washer and dryer in already. And over here, we're gonna have some cabinets and then some wall cabinets too. And here's the bathroom, which is pretty much finished. I'll get some lights on. So yeah, pretty much finished. Floors, the tile floors are down. Baseboard is in and finished and painted and everything. And we got the vanity in, water zone, mirror, light fixture, shelves. And the bathtub is finished. Crown molding is up and finished. And here is the shower curtain I'm going to be using. It's like an aqua color. Everything in here is neutral, so I'm going to be just putting some splashes of aqua to give it a little bit of color. And here's the master bedroom. This is the baseboard. Baseboard is down. It's not painted or caulked yet, so it's not quite finished, but that's what it looks like. All this trim stuff, all the baseboard, crown molding, all the window trim, that is from our lumber, from our trees. There's the crown molding. I do have this caulked up here, but I haven't painted it yet. And this is the master bathroom door. I hadn't done anything in there, but this is one of the antique doors, and I'm gonna paint it too. And our closet, Dad and Dale have been working on this. So they've got part of this stuff up. Got us some shelves up. There's gonna be some more stuff over here on this side, but we've actually, the guy that did our kitchen cabinets is making us a cabinet to go in here too, so we're waiting on that before we finish the rest of this stuff. And here's the linen closet. Another old door that I'm gonna paint. I know they look nasty right now. They won't for long. So yeah, we're gonna have a bunch of shelves. And the guest bedroom, we really hadn't done much in here. Window trims up, not painted yet. Doors are up, door trims are up. That's about all that we've done in here. Here's another antique door. So we've got one on each bedroom. It has the old glass knobs on them. They're pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna have to refinish those doors as well. So down here in the basement, HVAC guys got our mini splits in down here. So all the mini splits are up and running now. We've been working on getting some of the trim and siding boards painted. So right now, this is our painting workshop. And over here, I've got the hot water heater in, got our pressure tank in, and here's where our main water line comes in. And Dad and I got that hooked up to his well. Got all our doors in down here. Windows, we've been in for a while. And out here, Dad and Dale made some wing walls over here on each side. They made these out of our rocks too. But these are really pretty. I like these. So I got that one. And another one over here on this side. So here's that one. We got our gravel down. And hopefully soon we'll be getting grass seed spread so that the dirt doesn't wash away anymore. And the guys came and did the septic tank, and it's sitting like right over here. And all the drain fields are out there. We hadn't really done anything out here in the deck. Except they have their saw set up out here. And here's our yard. Hopefully we'll get grass soon. We do have gravel. You probably saw it in the front too. We have this all around the outside. That's mainly to keep the mud from bouncing up. So eventually when we finish the landscaping, we're going to do a thin layer of some pretty like river rock on top of that. So you won't see that gravel when we're finished. And then of course we'll probably do some like bushes and stuff all around the house. Alright, so that's what we've been up to. I think we've got a lot done, and we're going to be moving in really soon, within the next month. The house is definitely not going to be finished, but it is going to be finished enough to live in. We'll have the kitchen finished, one bathroom finished, of course, running water, all that good stuff. So we'll move in, and then we will keep on working on stuff. So I'll keep y'all updated. Thanks for watching.